Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys? I hope you all are fine and doing very good in your life. Back again with the latest and brand new ideas. Today video is about very amazing and beautiful women's dresses, plus size ladies outfits, ideas and style and different designs. Hope you guys enjoy this video and love this amazing style. This type of amazing and gorgeous ideas and style are so elegant and so beautiful. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope you guys love these amazing ideas. This type of trendy and amazing style of women's dresses are so good, looking very nice, looking very pretty, looking very stylish. If you guys love these amazing ideas, if you guys love this amazing style, don't forget to subscribe my channel and also guys press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get a notification of my videos. You will never miss my videos and any collection of my channel. I always If you want to buy these amazing ideas, I will tell you some famous brands, some online websites from where you can very easily buy these beautiful, perfect and gorgeous ideas. You can buy these amazing and beautiful dresses and ideas from AliExpress, Dressly.com, Amazon, Gucci.pk, Light in the Box, Gucci, Jimmy Choo. And so many different brands and different online websites from where you can very easily buy these beautiful and perfect dresses. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope you guys love these amazing ideas and style. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys love these amazing ideas. We will be right back and bye bye.